Hello and welcome to Solution Code. In this video, we'll move ahead in this course of developing the mini block. So first of all, let's log in to the system, what we have developed. So currently we have developed two modules, that is one for adding a new blog article and the second one is to view the existing blog articles. Also, we have given two buttons, one for editing the blog and one for deleting the blog. In this video, we'll be working on the delete functionality. So whenever I click on delete functionality, we have already done the coding part of it. So it is going to 404 page. That means we have done some errors in passing the parameters and the URL properly. Let's check for the edit button also if we have made the same mistake. Yes, somewhat similar mistake we have done in the edit button also. So first of all, we need to correct the button for this view page. So inside my view, I have the view blog open. So here, this is my for each loop. Inside that, there are the two buttons, one for edit and one for deleting the blog. So let's examine them and fix the issue. So here basically we are getting the base URL and everything with inside the href. So the href should start with a single quote, and I have removed the escape characters, so this is going to end. Okay, here no need to have this. Okay, yeah, so here the href is open and this is closed, and yeah, this should work fine. Similarly, in case of delete also we have to have the single characters. There is no need for PHP tag as we are already inside the PHP tag. Now this should work properly. Let's try to reload the page and try to access the delete button. So yes, the delete button is working fine, the URL is working fine, edit blog is also working fine. So what I was thinking, like we would develop the delete functionality using the Ajax method. So let's start the working on the delete functionality. First of all, I'm just giving a class called delete to my delete buttons, and here I'm writing my script. First of all, I would just alert something when the button is clicked. Let's alert some when I click on delete, it is giving me the alert. Okay, and it is also going to that particular page. So this is what I have to block for it now. Okay, so this should not go anywhere, just alert should come. Okay, and also I want the ID on this, so I'll just make the attribute. This is going to be my data attribute, and here I'm going to pass my ID, which is inside blog ID. Let's check whether we are getting the ID properly or not. So if you can notice, we are getting the ID properly. So here we have the alert ready with us. Alert the ID. So this is going to delete the 6 ID, this is going to delete the 5 ID, and so on and so forth. So we are ready with the ID what we want to delete. Delete ID equals to this, right? Now let's pass the confirm. Are you sure? Delete the block forever. Let's try to console.log the bool variable and check what we are getting. So here when I click on the delete, it is asking me, are you sure you want to delete the block forever? Okay or cancel. If I do cancel, it is giving me false, and if I do okay, it is giving me true. So I can directly alert function T using Ajax your blog is safe. Let's check the code. Your blog is safe. Okay. Now if I delete, then move to delete functionality using the Ajax method. Now I have to write the Ajax method here. Remove the block forever from our system. So for writing the Ajax, $.ajax see, in the Ajax there are 4 parameters which are compulsory and you need to pass. Okay, first is the URL. What URL we need to pass here? Inside the admin panel, what is the delete URL? Delete blog. So here we have the blog, delete blog. Also we want to pass the delete ID. So the delete ID is this. So our URL is ready here. The type would be the post or get. So we are calling this URL using the post method, and the data what we need to pass is basically not needed, but here we are going to pass it as the delete ID. Delete ID. So there is no need to pass the ID here. We will modify the code and we will just print here $_post. And here what we will do is we'll console.log whatever response we are getting from that method. That's it. Now whenever I click on delete, it is asking me, do you want to delete this forever? It is taking the confirmation. Okay. So here it is saying that $.ajax is not a function. This is due to the jQuery slim library. So for that, let's have the jQuery CDN from this jQuery Ajax Google CDN, and you can just copy this CDN from here, and here we can directly paste this CDN. Let's try to click, and here you use the result. This is the result what we are passing from our view to this block. So here basically in the block.php controller we have the delete id variable set with us, which is nothing but $_post of delete id. Now here basically we can directly run the query for delete. Let's take the query from here itself. Where block id equals to whatever we want to delete. Delete id. And here is our query. So if our query has executed properly, then we would just return, or we can also echo return deleted. Otherwise we will return not deleted. Accordingly we can check and alert the status here in the console. So here basically I'm going to the $_post and I am going to check whether the delete functionality is working or not. So here basically it is giving us true. Console.log the response. Okay, so the return is not working on Ajax. So instead of a return, basically you can write echo. So this is going to work. So that got deleted. Are you sure you want to delete the file, the block forever? True, and it is called as deleted. So here we are getting the deleted in this response. So here we can directly check if the response equals to deleted. That means it is deleted, so we can directly do the reloading of the page. And else if the response is not deleted, then do nothing or just alert something went wrong. Something went wrong. As simple as that. So here basically I'm going to delete this block. Are you sure you want to delete it? Yes. So this got deleted, and this is the way the delete functionality will work. So I hope you understand the working of Ajax on the delete functionality of this project. If you have any sort of doubt, please comment below so that I can go through each comments and I will just try to respond you. Also, I'm putting all the code whatever I'm doing on the GitHub, so I'll share the link in the description section, so please check that also if you need any help in code. Thank you for watching. Hope you like, subscribe and comment below if you have any doubt. Thank you.